I want you to make more money in less time. And that's what this workshop is going to be about. And I'm going to help you figure out, what do you delegate to AI? What do you delegate to a virtual assistant? What needs to stay in person? And also, we're going to help you come up with your mantra of, if it doesn't require blank, then someone else is going to do it. And my mantra is, if it doesn't require high-level strategy, if it doesn't require making these videos or hosting my workshops, someone else is going to do it. And that's the work that I really, really love and I feel like I'm good at, so I want to keep it for now. We will not be wasting any time in the workshop. You are going to make your plan right then and there. I have a super cool workbook that automatically makes your plan. This is a live workshop. I will be there to answer any questions you might have about hiring, about scaling, about business in general. I've bootstrapped 2 7-figure businesses, but more importantly than that, I get to work in my zone of genius, the things that I absolutely love doing and I feel like I'm good at as well. And I just want that for you. I want you to have the freedom to be able to spend more time with your family or more time just working on things that you're like, yeah, only I could have done this. Because that feels good, right? It never feels good to be doing the admin work in our own company. And in fact, that's one of my mantras. I don't do admin work because there's lots of people out there who love admin work and I would hate to take their jobs from them. I can't wait to see you at the workshop. I promise it is going to be super duper helpful and you're going to come away with just this incredible clarity on your business, and I can't wait to reduce overwhelm and help you make more money and save time at the same time.